You ready? Send it.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy BK and we're back at it with another video for the love of speed. And in today's video we're at a Savage, I think Savage Cars, or yeah, Savage Garage, my fault, Savage Garage meet. And as you can see guys, it's packed as fuck. It's all the way there. And I'll be going by some cars, get them on video. There you go. And as you with the Supra, the Shelby, and the Coyote. Yeah, with threes. Let's see what we got today. And we got a Supra over here. 2020 maybe? Yeah, I think. No, 21 because it has the carbon fiber. We got a ZL1 1LE. Alright, I'm going for them. Sure, I thought that was the new Shelby with the new color, but it's not. Then we got the ZL1 over there, another ZL1. Alright, Rolls Royce. Alright. Now we talking. GTR over there. Yep, Mark 1. We even got small setups down there. Yeah, this color's sick. Oh yeah. That's beautiful. Small one right over there.
Tell me what happened. You picked your name well, dog. What was going on with the event? I tried to. Sure.
And over there.
Maybe you should knock it.
R8.
They don't have any like.
What's the name of the pink car person?
Hey, you was making that man titties jiggle back there the whole time. His whole titties was just separating and shit, like a stripper and shit. I swear to God, I ain't never seen no titties jiggle. Hey, y'all, it's your boy Flashman. That's to go follow your boy D-Time. Hey, look, Detroit's real legend, baby. Real hero. I fuck with y'all. Peace out.
You can see it. I saw him. I saw there. You got my shield from standing back there. Oh my God, it's so good, dude. It's like feels the fucking soul.
For the love of speed, we got a Lamborghini.
Yeah.
We got
What's
a
up,
Supra,
guys?
What's up?
Make sure you follow him.
Thanks. And how do you like Motor City?
Love it here, man. This is our third year coming here.
Third
We
year
love
coming
it.
over here?
Picked the best time, and the weather actually finally got better.
We don't usually get it at this time.
We only had 2 of our cars already impounded today, so it's not too bad.
Oh, why is that?
Not ours, but one of our rally people. They were the cops were giving them shit about racing. In
Detroit?
Oh, they're racing.
They weren't.
Oh, they weren't.
They weren't, but they giving them crap.
That's the first. In Detroit, they're usually cool about it, but I mean, other
We
cities.
love the police here. I mean, just take it easy on us.
Yeah,
That's
especially you guys. You know?
Yeah.
I know the guys that be fooling around all the time.
Let our people go.
Yeah, you know. I would have never expected that. Do you guys come through once a year, or how does it work?
Yeah, so it depends on, we either skip a year or whatever, but we've been mostly coming here the last year and the 2 years before that.
Oh, so I did it already 3 times in a row.
yeah.
So y'all usually do a lot to Florida.
Yeah.
Yeah, how many y'all usually there all the time?
Love it, Joe.
What's the best state you like so far? I knew he was gonna say that.
Miami's the shit, man.
Hey, they even got the weather over there. You know, we got to wear like us. We get 3 months.
Yeah, we moved from Philly, and eventually we didn't think about the weather.
No, yeah. Snow is the most horrible thing in leaves.
Yeah, when we bought the cars, we never bought a purchase. We never purchased a car from you. So when we got the Lamborghini, we got the Supra 10500. Everybody's like,
GT 500.
yeah, they're like, you're gonna take it back to Michigan? What do you think?
Yeah, you know.
Both roads,
Right.
bad weather, so we're thinking about going back to that south. But now I heard you guys got a gas problem.
Everybody's got a gas problem.
On the south?
Oh, yeah, no, East Coast and everything.
Yeah.
I mean, basically up and down the East Coast. The whole pipeline got shut down. So, we'll see what happens. It's supposed to turn around. They're supposed to turn it back
I
on.
hope so, you know, because we're always thinking, like, what's next? How
Absolutely.
long are you gonna be here?
We're leaving tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning?
Yep.
And what about tonight? You're gonna be here too?
Well, here all night. We're staying at the hotel.
Oh, Montreal.
Yeah,
Oh,
exactly.
that's good.
Yeah, that's why we had you all come out here and see us and check us out.
Yeah, you guys are cool.
Definitely. Well, thanks for coming out. Appreciate it, man. Absolutely. Take care.
You too. Oh, there you go.
Dude, I love your cars. I got old school cars right now.